Namaskar, good morning ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have enjoyed the short movie or view of our medicinal plant garden and natural product field laboratory at Naipar SS Nagar, Punjab. So here I would like to give some more information, history and development of this garden over the last 25 years at Naipar SS Nagar campus. So at the inception of Naipar, the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers have constituted a working group in 1992 to lay out the foundation and design of this medicinal plant garden. As per the recommendations of the working group, the medicinal plant garden establishment started in 1996, and over the last 25 years the garden has been developed, and we have been adding continuously the medicinal plant species to our garden. Currently the medicinal plant garden houses 170 medicinal plant species in the garden area, as well as these medicinal plant species also have been planted across the campus. The garden, garden is located in the northwest region of the institute by in the Boyle area, by the side of Nala, which is covering an area of 15 acres with 7 acres of developed area. The 7 acres of developed area includes 4 main raised sectors. These of 1 acre each, and in this medicinal plant garden we are raising several medicinal plant species of commercial value, including Brahmi, Shatavar, Mulethi, Ashwagandha, Gilo, Tulsi, Conch, Gurmar, Kalme, and so on. So several of these medicinal plant species are grown in large numbers at our garden. It also houses a nursery, demonstration area, 4 shade houses and a greenhouse. The garden also provides the training on cultivation of medicinal plants to the farmers of Punjab region from time to time as the part of its vision to promote the farming of medicinal plants. Apart from this garden, Medicinal Natural Product Field Laboratory (NPFL) is an integral part of this facility, and it houses several labs, including pharmacognosy lab, crude drug drying and processing lab, oral solid dosage form development lab. It also houses state-of-the-art supercritical food extraction laboratory, which has lab and pilot scale extraction facility. Apart from this, in 2018 we started Green Window Initiative. Through this Green Window Initiative, the potential interested domestic users, educational institute across the Tri-City and Tri-City of Chandigarh, Panchkula and Mohali, and adjoining areas, states, the NGOs and schools are being provided selected medicinal plant germplasm for individual use and establishment of small herbal gardens for awareness and generation of interest in young learners regarding possible use of medicinal plants in healthcare. The Green Window is aimed with the dual purpose of providing benefit to the people and greening the environment at the same time. Currently we are providing 58 medicinal plant species under this Green Window Initiative with a nominal of 20 rupees as per the plant species. So over the years, in the end, I would like to acknowledge the generous funding which is provided by our parent ministry, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Department of Pharmaceuticals, as well as the administrative and able support of all earlier directors since inception of Naipar, as well as the current director, Professor Panda. With this, I thank you all again. Thank you. Jai Hind.